Spray Held BIDET Diaper Sprayer, White, by Spray Quick is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper sprayers products. The white handheld bidet sprayer is the fastest and easiest way to clean those soiled diapers, and is also a fresh approach to personal hygiene. The sprayer comes completely assembled to quickly and easily attach to your existing toilet. Each unit comes packaged with a white sprayer made of high-impact EBS plastic connected to a white 4-foot reinforced PVC hose, T-valve that allows you to control the water pressure, heavy-duty metal compression connectors, built-in check valve, one-way valve, that prevents potentially contaminated water from entering water supply line. White wall bracket with double-sided tape with screws wall anchors for mounting. The sprayer is pressed onto the hose, not screwed on the hose like most others. The screw-on type are foreign-made, and more likely to leak from the additional connections. White wall bracket holds nozzle when not in use. Sprayers come with a 30-day money-back satisfaction guarantee. Made in USA. Completely assembled. 4-foot reinforced PVC hose. Easily installs in 5 minutes. No plumber or extra hardware needed. Install instructions come QR code video.